everyone everyone I've been thinking all night long. If you want me, I've been thinking all day long. If you want me, Fatima Ranogiro, everything will surely show. Fatima Ranogiro, everything will surely show. Everyone everyone yeah. I've been thinking all night long. If you want me, I've been thinking all day long. If you want me, Fatima Ranogiro, everything will surely show. Fatima Ranogiro, everything will surely show. Everyone everyone yeah. Hey mama, hey mama, hey mama, hey mama.
Please stop! What are you doing? And how did you find my house?
My son.
I'm sorry, Queen Mother. I don't understand. What do you mean by your son? I mean, what about him, my queen?
I was told he came here.
Here? No, I've been out there washing. I did not see him come in, my queen. Maybe it is the neighboring compound. He was not here.
I saw him enter this compound. Where is my son?
Queen Mother, honestly speaking...
Go in there and get my son!
Yes, Queen Mother.
I want to see my son.
Queen Mother, I did not see him, but if you say he was here, please, my queen, can you show me which direction you saw him so I can go look for him, because I did not see him, my queen. Okay, my queen, please hold on. Let me look for him, my queen. My queen, Queen Mother, I've searched all around here. Please, Queen Mother! Queen Mother! Queen Mother! My queen, did you go to look for him? My queen! Queen Mother! Queen... Queen Mother! Queen Mother!
Do not turn your back. Please do not turn away from me. No, be
Thanks so much for coming. I told you, once the presentation is clear and accurate, my dad will approve of it.
Oh,
Yeah.
I so much appreciate it.
Thank you. And we're looking forward to doing more business together.
The king is such a nice man.
Yeah,
Such
he
a nice
is.
man.
He is.
Wow.
Yeah.
You guys have a very nice, serene environment.
Thank you.
Wow, Chike, how are you?
All right.
Oh, what's up with Chike? He's always on the phone, not out, acting strange. What's up? What is fine with him?
Of course, mood swing, I guess.
Ah.
Anyways, thanks for flying all the way all through thousands of miles to come here and for the signing.
Never mention, never mention, never mention.
The pleasure is all mine.
And that reminds me, Harry, what stopped you from coming to UK? Felicia, I guess.
Shut your mouth, bro.
I know.
No, not that, honestly. The truth is, there's someone else now.
Are you kidding me? For real?
For real. Her name is Ifunanya.
Okay.
Her father is a Nigerian ambassador
Wow.
to the United States.
Are you serious?
Yes.
For real?
Don't worry, you meet her. She's a beautiful queen.
Wow. I know you have high to find you.
Yeah. Man, so good to see you. So good to see you. After all these years. And to think we're clicking with a deal, that's something to celebrate.
You're right. Say to me about it.
Yo.
Wow. It's okay. Thanks.
To life and more deals.
Success, man.
Success, bro.
Wow. What wine is this?
Red wine.
Wow.
Yeah, it's from Greece.
It tastes like a Turkish wine.
Yeah, it's Greek red wine. My father brought it when he traveled last. So tell me, what was your experience like, business-wise, abroad all this while?
Bro, it hasn't been easy on me. Seriously, traveling here and there, commitment here and there. It hasn't been easy, but what to do? I just have to do it. But so far, I think I'm getting there. You get? I'm getting there.
Princess.
What? What is it?
Prince Sebastian's friend.
Prince Sebastian's friend?
Yes.
What about him?
He's lying on his pool of blood downstairs.
What?
Yes, downstairs.
Mother!
Princess, calm down and talk to me. Calm down, Princess, calm down. What is it? Princess, why are you crying? What? When? How? You mean at home? In the palace? Don't worry, I'll be with you in a jiffy. Driver, move this car, fast, be fast about it. Move this car. Richard! 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 Richard!
Oh my God. Oh my God.
I don't know. What happened?
Both of us came here and I sat down and I poured us drink. I had a sip and I didn't know what happened again. Then this.
Sabasi, you're under arrest.
For what?
Come on, officer. Handcuff him.
Officer, look, I did not kill. Officer, no. I don't know what. I can explain. I don't know what happened to him. Look, I did not kill this man.
Prince Sebastian, remember whatever you say here shall be used against you in the lockup.
Mom, tell them I'm not a murderer. I don't know what happened. Wait, officer, let me talk now. Wait, I don't know what happened. We were just sitting here and then. Wait now, listen to me. Officer,
Wait, officer. No, he's innocent now.
Father, I told them I don't know anything about his death. I did not do anything.
Hey!
Where are you taking my son to?
Thank you.
And why are you rough-handling him? He said he's innocent. Yes. Where are you taking him to?
I'm innocent.
Your Majesty, this can be proven by a law court. And as usual, this is a replay of what happened months ago.
Officer, can you please release my son for me? I will present him whatever time you want him for questioning.
Yes.
Your Majesty, the law does not work like that. And we are not talking about your dining table here.
My son is innocent.
Yes.
Father, I am innocent. I did not do this. I've told them.
Yes.
Officer, why are you doing this?
Your Majesty, with due respect, take a look. Can you move him, please? Move it.
I did not do this now.
Please,
I said I'm innocent.
Please, officer. Officer, Sebastian, your father will soon come.
We are coming to the station. We are coming.
It's okay, it's okay.
It was wrong of you to exonerate him of any crime when all the evidence points towards him. It was very wrong of you. Now he's been on a killing spree ever since. How do you feel about that? Huh?
With all due respect, Your Excellency, what are you getting at?
You ask me that? The prince is a psychopath. He's a serial killer. He's on a killing spree. He killed my son.
Yes, Excellency.
That prince killed... Shut up now, I'm talking.
I'm sorry, Excellency, but I just told you.
That prince killed my son. And he's been killing people out there. The number of victims keeps soaring high. Are you deaf? Don't you hear what's going on out there? Shut up when I'm talking!
I'm sorry, Excellency, but I just told you that we concluded investigating the prince. And we are here to conclude the matter of the man who killed your son.
And so? What have you just said? What?
Excellency, I said that we are still investigating the matter of the man who killed your son. If you wouldn't mind, sir, I have a work to do.
What? You dare talk to me like that? Concerning my son's death? My own son's death? Oh, I see. I see. By the time I speak with the president and the commander-in-chief of all armed forces, you will know what hit you. I will see how you can retain this miserable job of yours. You want to sit down in my presence to type rubbish? You'll see. You will see.
You can go and report to the commander-in-chief of the fire.
Your Highness, what do we do? Tomorrow is the presentation. And Prince Sebastian has been arrested by the police.
Oh, gods of our ancestors, in what area have I really offended you? Oh, no. My son is innocent, and you know it. He is innocent.
Yes, I know, Your Highness. But he has to be present at the presentation at Imobi.
No. I am afraid that ceremony must be postponed. As long as my son is in that police custody, the presentation must be postponed. And that includes Sebastian.
Your Highness, this will change the tides. Our traditional calendar of events shall change.
Would you rather we go ahead with a celebration without him? Is that what you think as the Onowu of this land? Listen, like I said before, the ceremony has to be postponed until all the problems are over.
Yes, Your Highness.
Good. Now would you please excuse me?
Find this one very well. Find it very well.
Oh boy. In next 2 minutes now you carry this fan for me. And if mosquito bite me, I repeat my word, if mosquito bite me, die can reach.
Nonsense.
Princess. Wow.
Oh,
Look at you.
Look at you.
Wow, wow. What
So
is
good
this?
to see you.
It's so beautiful.
Thank you.
As ever, as always. I'm gushing, I swear.
Really?
What are you eating?
What are you eating? I should be asking
a bit chubby.
you.
Wow.
Is that a compliment?
Of course, you know.
Okay, I'll take it. Thank you.
How are you?
Well, I'm good. And you?
I'm very well. Wow, my princess.
Thank
you.
you.
It's nice seeing you again. After all these years.
Big man!
Oh, my prince. How are you, my prince?
Very well, thank you. Good to see you again. You look
same
good.
Here, same here. See you, my prince. What happened?
What?
You're looking, I don't understand.
Look at yourself. Look at who is talking.
What is happening here? What have you been eating? Egusi or 4 hours?
Everything they prepare for me in this palace. What have you been eating?
Hey,
You look so rough.
Hey, guys. It's okay. First of all, I have a bone to chew with you.
Oh.
So, I flew all the way to Heathrow.
Oh,
and you decided to keep me waiting.
Oh.
Really?
I'm sorry, my princess. I'm sorry. It wasn't my fault. Please, I'm sorry. I will make it up next time, please. I won't disappoint you.
Listen.
It's a promise.
This man did
I
not
won't
come for you.
disappoint.
He came for business. Let's go. Father is waiting. Come. Not to worry. You both will practice later, you know. Come, let us go. Okay.
No. We're not done talking. Hey, wait. Hold on.
Wow. Richard, I must say that I'm impressed with this proposition. This is the first refinery coming from the southeast.
Yes, Your Majesty, and I'm really honored that you and Prince accepted the partnership.
Obviously, we are really happy to be part of this partnership. I mean, we know the enormous opportunities that siting this factory in the southeast will bring. So it's not something we'd like to miss.
That's true.
Of course, yes. Sebastian?
Father.
Make sure that you commit our own share to the capital investment.
Oh, definitely.
Leave no stone unturned.
Most definitely, sir. You're welcome.
Richard?
Do not turn your back. Please do not turn away from me. No,
Thanks so much for coming. I told you, once the presentation is clear and accurate, my dad will approve of it.
Oh,
yeah.
I so much appreciate it.
Thank you. And we're looking forward to doing more business together.
The king is such a nice man.
Yeah,
Such
he
a nice
is.
man.
He is.
Wow.
Yeah.
You guys have a very nice, serene environment.
Thank you.
Wow, Chike, how are you?
All right.
Oh, what's up with Chike? He's always on the phone, not out, acting strange. What's up? What is fine with him?
Of course. Mood swing, I guess. Anyways, thanks for flying all the way all through thousands of miles to come here and for the signing.
Never mention. The
pleasure is all mine.
And that reminds me, Harry, what stopped you from coming to UK? Felicia, I guess.
Shut your mouth, bro.
I know.
No, not that, honestly. No. The truth is, there's someone else now.
Are you kidding me? For real?
For real. Her name is Ifunanya.
Okay.
Her father is a Nigerian ambassador to the United States.
Are you serious?
Yes.
For real?
Don't worry, you meet her. She's a beautiful queen.
Wow. I know you have eyes for fine girls.
Yeah. Man, so good to see you. So good to see you. After all these years. And to think we're clicking with a deal, that's something to celebrate, you know.
You're right. Certainly about it.
Yo.
Wow. It's okay. Thanks, man.
To life and more deals.
Success, man.
Success, bro.
Wow. What wine is this?
Red wine.
Wow.
Yeah, it's from Greece.
It tastes like a Turkish wine.
Yeah, it's Greek red wine. My father brought it when he traveled last. So tell me, what was your experience like, business-wise, abroad all this while?
Bro, it hasn't been easy on me. Seriously, traveling here and there, commitment here and there. It hasn't been easy, but what to do? I just have to do that. But so far, I think I'm getting there. You get? I'm getting there.
Oh, Richard, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
I don't like it one bit.
Who is your mother? I have told you I'm not your mother, and I will never be your mother. Look at you. You're a very selfish man. Very selfish. Very wicked. Everyone in this palace is doing everything possible to bring your brother out of the problem he's in. But you're eyeing the throne. You're pressing your phone. You're a very wicked boy. Very selfish. You are the problem we have in this palace. From your childhood, you have been selfish and stubborn. I make you this promise today. As long as I live, you will never smell the throne of this kingdom. Foolish boy. Idiot.
I'm not Sebastian's problem. Why is everybody making my life difficult? Why?
She hates me so much. So much. She thinks I am after the throne.
But do you want the throne?
Who wouldn't want the throne? Even though it is not my priority now. Why are you smiling?
Nothing.
But you just smiled.
Maybe I wanted to smile.
Okay. I didn't know I was gonna meet you again.
Likewise.
So, I'm gonna see you again after today?
Well?
Well?
Maybe.
Your Majesty, as I always say, This matter shouldn't be treated with kids' gloves. Something is not right.
What exactly do you mean by that?
Your Majesty, something is working against the presentation of Sebastian as the heir. I suggest we go ahead and present Chike to the Imobi.
Why do we have to do that?
Your Majesty, don't you see it? Something is working against the confirmation of Sebastian as the heir. Whatever that is also working against our traditional calendar.
Well, I don't care about that any longer, because Sebastian is still going to be the heir apparent to the throne.
My king, a bird that flies off the earth and lands on ant hill is still on the ground. Let us make hay while the sun shines.
I don't care about that anymore.
I will not accept it. Is that why you have refused to pull your contacts to help our son's case? Is that it?
This has got nothing to do with that. You know it.
It has everything to do with it, and you know it. I know your plan now. You want my son to be convicted so that Chike would be crowned king? That would never happen. No.
And whatever happens, I am still the king. I will present who succeeds me. It's quite unfortunate that Sebastian finds himself in that kind of mess.
May I remind you that we all are involved here. Our name matters. Why don't you pick up that mobile phone and call the people at the top?
The police will definitely do their job. In the meantime, Chike must be presented as the heir apparent to the throne.
What could be working against the traditional calendar of Oranto Kingdom? What is that thing that wants to stop my first son, Prince Sebastian, from processing into the Imobi? What is that thing exactly? No, This has to stop. I am King Osakwe, the Ohamadike one of Oranto Kingdom. My word is law. Prince Sebastian remains the heir to my throne, and he is the right person to proceed into the Imobi, and that is final.
Thank you, Dr. Lucas, for coming at short notice.
Thank you, officer. I'm always happy to help the police. So tell me, what is the problem?
We appreciate you, sir. Sir, look at this situation. I have a suspect charged with multiple homicide. He claims to have blackouts after a drink. He finds dead bodies around him. Worse still is that when he wakes up from the blackout, dead bodies are seen around him. And then he scarcely remembers anything that happened.
Well, officer, there are two types of blackouts, which are defined by the severity of memory impairment. Fragmentary blackout. This is the most common, characterized by the spotty memories of events, where you see these memories separated by missing periods in time.
Dr. Lucas, please. Does he mean the suspect is saying the truth? Because I've never believed him or believe anything he said.
In block blackouts, where memories of events are not formed and they typically cannot be recovered. Officer, distinguish between these blackouts so as to know where your suspects fit in.
Dr. Lucas, I would say I'm happy. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Doctor.
You're welcome.
Oh no, Chike cannot be named the next king. It's not possible.
But His Majesty already accepted.
That is why I'm here. Oh no, please, try and convince him to change his stance, please. Let my son Sebastian be named instead. Okay, oh no, I understand that language. I'm ready to pay anything. Just name your price.
Your Majesty, that cannot be possible. It is not possible.
Oh no. Are you for me or against me?
No. I am loyal to the throne of Oranta. My allegiance is to the king. Send my greetings to the Majesty.
This is not ordinary anymore. There is every tendency Prince Sebastian likes killing. Let me ask you, has he started taking drugs or there is something controlling him?
How am I supposed to know that?
I really felt for him when he was crying, looking confused in the presence of the detectives. I don't believe he knows what happened or understands what is going on at that moment. May the gods of our land intervene in this. Because I just pray God of our land intervene, really.
Excuse me.
No problem. No problem. Thank you.
No,
Care for a drink?
No.
Why?
I don't understand, officer. Why are you offering me a drink when you know what happens whenever I drink?
This is just an honest drink. Go ahead and pour yourself a drink. Trust me, I'm on high alert. Just go ahead and pour a drink, okay? Let's be friends. Go ahead, go ahead. Finish it up. You're not doing badly.
What's going on? I ought to have passed out by now. Or is there no alcohol in this drink?
You have a lot to explain. Take it back to sir.
Move it.
No. This is not acceptable. I mean, I cannot allow anyone use my son as a guinea pig. It is bad enough that you are holding him against his will. No.
With due respect, Your Majesty, we are investigating a murder case. And we are trying our best to unravel the mysteries behind the unexplained deaths.
That simply means you're making your findings at the wrong places. As far as I am concerned, my son, Prince Sebastian, cannot even hurt a fly. That I know for sure.
Exactly my point.
Your Majesty, he needs to explain those dead bodies around him. And we need your permission to carry the test, that might vindicate your son.
Excuse me, I don't understand. What other thing do you want my husband to say? You already heard him. He said my son Sebastian cannot hurt a fly. What do you want again? By the way, have you interrogated Chike? Because he was there when the incident happened.
Your Majesty, so far so good. Chike has been able to answer all the questions we threw at him. Your Majesty, lives were lost. Just like I said earlier, we need their permission to carry out the test.
My enemies are at work here. My son is innocent. Sebastian does not even know these facts. Eh?
Your Majesty, your silence leaves me with no other option other than to carry the test.
Talk now!
If you excuse me.
Why did you not say anything?
Not to worry. I'll make some calls.
is it? Are you alright?
Yes. Yes, I'm alright.
Are you sure?
Yes. I just want to tell you that I'm awake.
Are you sure?
Yes. I'm sure I'm fine.
It's okay. Please, come back to bed. You're getting me worried. Are you sure you're fine?
Yes, I'm fine.
Let's go back to sleep. It's okay. Sure you're fine?
I'm okay.
You're getting me worried. You're sure you're fine?
Yes.
It's okay.
Please hold me.
What is it again?
No.
It's okay. There's nothing here. Take a sleep.
How did you go? Didn't go down with them.
What are we going to do now?
We must carry out the test. Remember, this is a murder case. And we must unravel what went wrong.
Then we must get a judge involved. Get a court order and carry out the test.
You're right. That's what we have to do. Do we go?
Of course.
I've been thinking all night long. If you want it, you want it. I've been thinking all day long. If you want it, you want it.
I hear that you have been chosen as the heir. Chike, you and I know that that throne belongs to Sebastian.
The record proposes you are only member of the household, royal household. Since when did you become a member of selected committee?
No wonder. No wonder you are so indifferent to Sebastian's problem. No wonder. Well, Sebastian has been prepared for this throne since his birth.
You are talking nonsense, angry princess.
I am talking nonsense? Like, I am talking nonsense?
Yeah. Hey, mama. Hey, mama. Hey, mama. Hey, mama.
How dare you? What gives you the right to do what we are doing?
Or do you want the guards to throw you out like a common criminal?
Your Majesty, if you want to see the end from the very beginning, place your hand on mine.